yoga friends! Before we jump into today's exciting yoga practice, don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe so you can be part of all our yoga journeys. We've prepared lots of fun poses and games just for you. Ready? Let's begin! Sit tall with your legs straight in front. Press your hands beside you and lengthen your spine. Excellent! Staff pose helps you sit tall, strengthens your back, and improves focus. Lie on your tummy. Place hands under shoulders and lift your chest up like a cobra. Great Cobra Pose makes your back strong and open. Lie on your tummy, bend one knee, hold your ankle, and gently lift your chest and leg like half a bow. Great job! Half bow pose stretches your body, strengthens your back, and helps you feel open and energized. From plank, turn to one side, balancing on one hand and foot. Lift your other arm up. Awesome! Side plank makes your arms and core strong. Place your hands and feet on the mat, lift your hips high, and make an upside down V shape. Wonderful! Downward dog stretches your whole body, wakes you up, and helps your mind feel clear. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, reach your arms forward, and rest like a cozy child. Nice job! Child's pose helps your body rest, stretches your back, and makes your mind feel calm. Lie on your tummy, bend your knees, hold your ankles, and gently lift your chest and legs like a bow. Super job! Bow pose helps open your chest, stretch your body, and makes your mind feel happy and energized. Kneel on one knee, stretch the other leg out, reach one arm up, and lean to the side like a gate. Gate pose stretches your sides, helps your breathing, and makes your body feel open and light. Bring one leg forward and stretch the other back. Sit tall and breathe deeply into your hips. Excellent. Pigeon pose helps your hips relax and your body feel free. Sit with legs straight, bend forward and reach toward your toes. Great work! You stretch long and seated forward bend. Sit comfortably, cross your leg, place your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath. Great focus. Easy pose helps us feel calm and ready. Stand tall, bend your knees like you're sitting in a chair, and lift your arms up. Amazing! Chair pose makes your legs strong, builds balance, and gives you lots of energy. Step one foot forward, bend your front knee, lift your arms up high, and stand strong like a warrior. Nice job! Warrior 1 makes your legs strong, stretches your body, and builds confidence. Step 1 foot forward, bend your front knee, stretch your arms wide, and look over your front hand like a brave warrior. You did it! Warrior 2 strengthens your legs, improves balance, and helps you feel focused and brave. Step your feet apart. Reach one arm down and the other up. Stretch to the side like a triangle. Excellent! Triangle pose makes our body open and strong. Stand tall, place one foot on your other leg, bring your hands together, and balance like a strong tree. Great work! Tree pose improves balance, builds focus, and helps you feel calm and steady. Great job, yoga friends! You did amazing today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this with your friends so they can join the fun too. Take a deep breath, smile, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye!